Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about celebrating our movement and our efforts to move more daily and celebrating them on our club webpage through our activities popping up on the club's leaderboard. So just like the other videos we've walked everybody through, you're going to start by logging into Strava. When you log in, once again, you'll be taken to your dashboard and you'll see your activities pop up. You'll also see the quick link to our CSU East Bay Recreation and Wellness Services Club. If you scroll down, you'll see that we do in fact have a leaderboard. We have last week's leaders, this week's leaderboard, and here you can see that there's been some time that has been logged, one activity. You can see there's swim time, ride time, and run time. So the thing about the club leaderboard is that your activities that are not categorized as swims, rides, or runs will not show up on the club's leaderboard. So if you'd like them to, you want to come into whatever activity that you did that you would still like to count towards the club leaderboard. In this case, yoga. You'll click edit. And for sport, instead of yoga, you'll go ahead and choose ride, run, or swim. You can leave the title yoga with Eric, and you'll still want to set the privacy controls to everyone. Remember, if you take it off everyone, it also will not show up on the leaderboard. And then you'll go ahead and hit save. It'll change the type of activity. And then we'll go back to our dashboard once it changes the type. We'll go back to our dashboard. You can see again that the sport changed to swim. So once we go back to our dashboard and we hit our quick link, and again, you can see here too, the activity icon changed from yoga to a swim. And if you come back over to the club, you'll see that this activity now appears in the club leaderboard. Sometimes you do have to click refresh, and we'll wait a few more seconds. Maybe once more. There it is. And it goes ahead and pops up. Again, we're not too particular, right, about what activity you're doing. We're just encouraging everybody to move more daily. So we're encouraging everybody to meet their own personal time goals, distance goals perhaps, but it really doesn't matter what activity you're doing to show up on the leaderboard. If you want to celebrate your movement minutes and your activities, go ahead and just make sure you categorize them as swims, rides, or runs, even if they are, in fact, yoga. All right, thank you for joining us. Celebrate.